Khago. Khago. Anything this angel is a bridging. That's who she don't want to see a box in their face.
Right now, a sky god, Khago, have the best yes man around him. But anytime you see the man in a studio with the man, them stand up black time. I'm yes man them, and right now Khago have the most yes man in the business as an artist. So as me I telling you in the beginnings, in the Genesis, say Khago have the bestest a yes man them now. But before it was BountyKiller when Bounty have IRA. Yeah, my people. So this are the alliance that was a lie. Then when IRA join in, it becomes ANG, Alliance Next Generation. Because them they try a thing like PG-13, you see me? Yeah, because remember Kartel set it, you know. Now see the IRA was the #1 yes man out of all of the other big entertainer them who had any yes man. A BountyKiller, the biggest yes man who was IRA. See? Until we say IRA take almost 10 years to left from round Killer. Alright? So look how him respond to Fambo.
To Fambo.
Fambo. Why you not go down dead pussy? Go finish dead Fambo. Jesus! Die, put!
Yo, you hear where am I going with it? You hear where am I tell Fambo? Yo, that's why I'm telling you Fambo will live longer than him, you know.
Yeah, that way, you know, sell out your friend them. You sell out everything. Khago, let me say this, your mother.
Yo, Fambo, I'm a real comedian. Yo, the money will make it pop up. But guess what, one? You have to know when him serious and when him a joke like me. It doesn't make it sound like him a joke now, but him serious. You hear me tell him love the angel and him don't like Khago because Khago really sell out everything. Him sell out him mother.
I woke up this morning, was born in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
Yeah, my people are mad thing now, you know. You see what we have here? We have Khago in the black seat, in the hot seat, Zin? And we have FutureFambo, a living legend. The man here forward from far, my people, is our next God warrior this. Because I didn't tell Fambo say me for review him God's song and I want to review it, you know. But me I work with the universe, me I feel I work with the universe and sometimes I get some things where need for be placed first. Zin? So the thing is, you know, where the universe lead me to Zin, here why I do that one and why I choose for bring forward the FutureFambo video here. Because me the universe want me to show, you know, and do a video cover Khago being the #1 artist right now with the most and the wickedest yes man. Right now a sky god Khago have the best yes man around him. Yeah, my people, you see me? Notice, man, anytime you see Khago in him studio, man, with the man them black him, a stand up black him, wipe on the stand up black him, zine. But anytime you see the man in a studio with the man them stand up black him, I'm yes man them, and right now Khago have the most yes man in the business as an artist. Every live where him do, you see me yes man them back him and say, yeah man, yes man. Then so Khago will lead with the amount of yes man right now, you see me? Yeah, Kartel, I see them Kartel a roll with, as I say, I know enough how I go say Kartel this and Ray with the yes man them. Kartel don't have no yes man a follow back him like them man, Khago. Because that is a yes man, you know, they make sure dead, you know, right on spot for weakness and for attack and for defend, you know. Then, notice Shanstorm, Mad Sus, all Gaza uncle left him way. I just when certain event I keep, you'll see Gaza uncle link up with Kartel, you see me? But Khago a lead with the yes man them, you see me? Bounty lose all I'm yes man. From IRA left. Right now, Willful Skillful, we say a play as a yes man little bit, you know. But Willful Skillful out for jump ship from Killer, you know. You know, say Willful Skillful, not to their own Killer. Up a boom boom, they're so skillful. They can look like Killer pre-Willful Skillful, you know. Because if you go watch the entertainment report interview, see, not with Anthony Miller, you know, not with the famous Anthony Miller. The next short, fat black guy, we interviewed the genius them recently. He has been interviewing, even Willful Skillful him interview. Just look for entertainment report. Type out the full word, not just ER. See, ER is a different entertainment report from the one I will attack. You see me? So if you go up on that entertainment report channel up on YouTube with the short flat brother where interview all of the artists and selectors, producers. He even interview Bill Cosby what the year, Zin. Billy Slaughter, I'm say sorry, Billy Slaughter. Zin, him interview Billy Slaughter. Zin, yeah, and a couple other. So, as me I say, at this we see the sign where Bounty had a fallout with Willful Skillful. You see me? So Willful Skillful now play himself as no yes man. Again, you see me? Because Bounty and Willful Skillful they do up a footer hype. One party where footer hype get booked for player. Zin and Killer was paid to appear there. Zin, maybe, I don't sure. I think it's free Killer got there. Zin? Yeah, so Killer and Willful Skillful them dead in the dance or the party. I enjoy themselves. Well, I don't think Killer that enjoy himself, but Willful Skillful that enjoy himself, and he was there with Killer, right? And then Footer Hype got beat up Willful Skillful for get under Killer skin because Footer Hype knows about it like a bone in him, you know. Every minute Footer Hype depend, yo, Willful Skillful, yo, love your girl where you grab on, love how you grab on for your woman and love how you have your woman and rain at them. So Footer Hype try play a Killer, you know, big up Willful Skillful every minute, and Willful Skillful stand upside the Killer, you know. So you know say Willful Skillful big up Footer Hype in front of Killer because Willful Skillful not so smart, or maybe him tired of Killer because at first me that pre-say him not so smart, Zin, but now to me I see Killer still a rant and a cuss for boss people. I see say him not change, so it shows say Willful Skillful possibly just tired of Killer and him dirty ways, you see me? So we see where Willful Skillful a party up a bum place at night time with Quick Cook and Egyptian them from Egyptian day in the place and two other face, you see me? So yeah, Khago a lead with the yes man them now. Him have a bag of yes man. I say yes man, yes man. Remember when I already did Black a Killer and few other little man them time the Movado and everybody left. And Movado them and Kartel. Well, me don't know about Movado them. But me know say Kartel never play himself as a yes man for Killer. Cause remember say Kartel go link up with being it differently. Zin and Killer vex with that. So Kartel was never a yes man, you see me? I remember say Beanie a Waterhouse man, Kartel a Waterhouse man, so Killer can't get in between that. Like how you forgot 8 pan a man way forward from your place where you raise and see and respect for years, Zin, and then now through him enemy boss you. You can't go just 8 a man there so where you grew up for seeing in your community, you know what I mean? So yeah, see Khago and him yes man them yeah. A little youth involved. Sorry for that stray there. A little youth a pick up a stray. Sorry to say, but me there look at next video. I'm gonna see the other one at Instagram a promote. But yeah, at the 2-time reading produce so much yes man for him to, you know. Around that time him start get the bag of yes man them. You see me? We stand up black him and everything Khago say hear them. Yes man, yes man. Just like how IRA used to do it for Bounty, you see me? But now Bounty have one soul. You see me? For be a yes man for him. And Kartel no need a yes man. Kartel don't even need nobody to talk to him, talk for him. You see me? Kartel make it clear more than once. Zin say yo a TG them talk for him, scatter them talk for him, and himself. And you see me? Him legal advisor. Zin? Eh.
Fire there must still them think a cool.
Nobody know have yes man. Alright, BountyKiller did have the best yes man, you know, which was IRA. But Bounty lose IRA, you see me? So Bounty have that big yes man there again. Right now Bounty don't have nobody in him corner. And it look like Keznam they a fight for big. BountyKiller yes man, you know. Zena Mosquito. But we not see them get so active. But we see Keznam there, he not stop make himself look like a fool. Because as a Rasta youth we claim to say you grow with uptown parents, see? And Keznam they go up and big interview upon the fix. and tell people say Bounty are the realest thing for boss people without collecting any money or securing any money for himself. Listen to people, there's a very thin line between being an idiot and being kind. Okay? There's a very thin line between being an idiot and being very kind. Okay? Now, if you're going to be kind, you want to make sure, say, in a situation like Bounty, Zane, a dunce Bounty dunce, why him help boss so much people without securing financial strength or some benefit for himself. You get me I say? Because Bounty a big man black then, you know, when he help Kartel, Mother, the busy signal, I do one of the whole of them, he was a big grown man. Him supposed to have sense enough to know, say, the same people where you help enough time are go backbite and turn against you. So it's best you charge them a fee. But Bounty was stupid. This stupidness that, oh, you're going to help so much people become millionaire and not try to secure something for yourself. Them time that when Bounty run the dancehall with the lions behind him, lions, a lions them name. So lie, a big lie in him thing. Big lie. Alliance is a big lie. That's why Kartel would have to merge and become him own Dan, him one Dan. You see me? Not one general in the dance, because everybody knows that General Trees and General Degree was the real general them before Bounty. So alliance is a lie. And that the universe has shown me. Just like an alien. You see me? And that is why Kartel had to be the alien. He had to take away himself from a lie, which a lie in an alien. And then the end after the lie. You see me? So the alien brain Kartel. You see me? Him flourish from out of there. And that is why it's important for release the Gaza Bible, you know. You know, look out for the Gaza Bible. Zin, because the word was once God and the word was God, right? But then the word get corrupted. That's why the word have to farm out a blood clot Bounty now and created a new self. And that is how you get Vybz Kartel. Zin? So him forward from the righteous route, you know. Because Bounty was the righteous man fighting for the good, and Beanie was the evil nemesis of Bounty. So the dancehall always have God and the devil a work for gain the fans them. But you say, no fans, no blind. And then guess what? Bounty was playing for God all along, being that good man, but then him lose him sense, lose him way. He had lost his way. Zin, especially over the angel. The angel, because the devil come take away the angel from him. Not the pre. Yo, hey, the Gaza Bible are gonna drop here. So the angel is like Eve. Zin dancehall at the Garden of Eden. At the heaven. Dancehall is the Garden of Eden. But it's like full with heathen. You see me? It's not like the Eden, but it's more like heathen. The Garden of Eden, a be a heathen. You see me? And warmongers. You see me? But that's why Kartel did have a mighty in battle, just like God himself, undefeated. All his riches and glory, send his angels charge over me. Vybz Kartel and Selassie I cares for we. And Jehovah Jireh cares for we. That Jehovah Jireh, they know a Jay-Z. Him are the Jehovah upon the international scene in the rap area. But a 50 Cent are the true God man. You see me? I think Jay-Z is still good, you know. But that's why they might fight him so much, you know. Even though I did kind of ask a question if Jay-Z is evil. But trust me, Jay-Z, I believe, like the universe has shown me, say Jay-Z represent for the good. That's why he got so wealthy, and Jay-Z love to help people. He help Rihanna. Right now, him currently I help Megan Thee Stallion. He help Gotti, right? Who analyze my favorite rapper, one of my favorite rapper, Young Dolph. The rest up Young Dolph. But what goes around shall forward around, right? So, you know, see the demonstration or the demonstration, because everything is good against evil, the devil against God. That's why God and good so close to being alike, and devil and evil are close to being alike, right? Now, FutureFambo is a God man. I'm going to review him God songs, in because as me I show you, say Vybz Kartel is so influential. From him drop from prison and claim him crown, the king crown, the title of dancehall. Zin? Everybody want to be king. All the dirty boy, dirty foot boy, walk and talk. I know you have two dirty foot boy. You have foot hype and you have walk and talk. Zin, walk past sheep, walk past shark. Yeah, so all dirty foot boy walk and talk say want to be king of podcast. Zin, I'm here man Jeffrey a fight over who are the king of podcast. Zin, who are the king of podcasting. But right now the fix a lead still, you know, the fix of the upper hand. I mean Jeffrey come fly past a lot in the podcasting world and he's right there black at the fix. Zin, because the fix is really like the 6. You see me? And Jeffrey want to be the 7s, but him not pass the 6 yet for make it into heaven. You see what I say? So him still there L below the 6. You see the fix. Yeah. So I just saw all of them things they are going on the Gaza Bible. So all who not boss yet, who not make sure to try a boss for make it in the Gaza Bible. Everybody who popularize or have gained certain success and notoriety and attention in the dancehall space or reggae space, who not go get mentioned in the Gaza Bible. Highly likely for that happen. Then because uno play a valuable and important part of spreading the message, bringing the good news from who I bring the bad news for the devil, the good news Bible and the bad news Bible. We're going to do all of that too. We're going to print more. We have to own our own printry. I'm going to need some assistance because we've got the ideas boiling up like a volcano about to erupt. Make syrup. Catch him in a bowl, kid sweet me like syrup. I handbrake pull up him, pull up. People ask me what I get heartless, paranoid. And when you give me a light, you know I'm a killer and the God. I'm going to say I'm gonna hammer the street life. Protect me, Lord, you are gonna know me God. I'm no one to fool up to God. I'm no one need them to come in on my back. Give the go, you give them a surprise. If a boy round me, no care who, which place, which side. When I eat or sleep until pay the price. If a boy round me, no care who, which place, which side. When I eat or sleep until the day you die. Till the day you die, till the day you die. When I eat or sleep until the day you die. One rifle and one bundle pull up. Yeah, and I hit me a show you know people say. You see when you have an enemy in life, on the don't look for gonna make peace too quick because you don't know where your enemy head. You have to read the Bible and pray every day enough to understand how mankind think, how the earth work, how the universe operate. Can no found a bait and no love talk about peace, peace, peace. A soul no get in the face, bust off and betray. Because you know I look for to make peace with the enemy and think that peace is a good thing. Peace is something will take your life. I be a man dead in a peacetime, peace treaty. I want to you. So now we see a new enemy arise and evolve. Now we see Khago get aligned to a new enemy. And we are going to bring this to you know, in a very more open, clarifying state or manner. Because watch this now. The fact that you have somebody turn enemy the first time, you know, who is competitors for till the end, till the earth boss again and destroy. Because remember, I said the first time earth boss, you know, a farm it farm. With the big bang, like Kartel and Skilly bang, big bang, yeah. So watch you know, Khago and Future Fambo, them are enemy now. Because remember, you know, we saw Fambo and Deejays on the, they were together conducting a little black and forth type of reasoning and discussion, right? So we know say Fambo highly rate Deejays. And me highly rate Deejays. So we know Fambo even, this is a sign that Fambo is even more aligned to God than I think. Which we don't see him doing God's song. Because I tell you say from Vybz Kartel forward out for him crown and get him kingship. Everybody want kingship. Valiant want king. Mosquito want king. Joshua want king. Everybody, Mama Nasi Ras want kings from Vybz Kartel forward out and claim him thing. You get what I say? Now we see Vybz Kartel forward out and say God is the greatest. I don't know say a film slang. And we see say FutureFambo waste no time for jump on that God train. Is it? The train is coming, baby. I said the train is coming down. Yeah. The Holy Ghost train. Yeah. You see me? Moving like a, you know. So I may show you everything is aligned. That is how the universe works. When the earth bust and I speak. You see me? Mother Nature. Any man will pray to Almighty God, a man. Make sure Mother Nature want to pray to or Mother Mary. Zin? Yeah, that's just for comedy. You know, if you try to study me and understand when I'm serious different from comedy. Because that the little part that we just run about the Father God and the Mother Mary and the Mother Nature. That was just comedy. But everything what I said before that, prior to that, that is serious. That is truth. You know, I'm not going to teach you that again, how to know when me serious from when me out of my character. Because people don't know you too well. But me still assure enough a bit truthful or for kind of get for understand me. So you see the smarter people them now, them are going to learn from this and know, say, oh, you can't take everything what I say serious. But them are going to know when me I talk the truth. Just like how me I talk the truth now. Zin? So, yeah, we see where Fambo and Khago, they're enemies now. And that they're going to be enemies till death do them part. Even if them become friends after this. We as the onlookers are going to say, Bumbleclad, you know, say Khago dead before FutureFambo. That means to say FutureFambo are the real God bless one and Khago devilish and evilish, you know. Because remember, enough people are look for see FutureFambo gone what year, you know, when him sick out and dep on tube and all type of thing, you know. But watch and see how God work. Watch and see if God now go remove enough of Fambo enemies them before him. Just like me I telling you about Kartel. Even Mosquito probably dead before Kartel. Alkaline probably dead before Kartel. Because God work in a mysterious ways. He will make the younger one them go before him who have tried fight against him. We know say Bounty and Beanie, come on. Because we hear about the cancer where one Kevin say one of them having a zine. So, you know, God is definitely with Kartel. But now when the pagan them hear me say this, them are going to try all type of way to try put money on the damn head or them are try get him out first. You see me I say? But I saw the war go with you and your enemy. Even you that is watching this, the simple person, you, Zin, your enemy that you come across, how you think me there live so long? Because me not trust nothing. Me learn not to trust. Me did kind and love friends and love company and falaga and boss. Until me meet pro zone, then the guns gonna draw close. And the lead to your head make you become a damn ghost. You see me I say? And the can to your belly where you swallow can roast. Boom, boom. You see me? Yeah, so me stop trust people. Zin? Yeah, I'm a joke thing. But guess what? We have to know for love and balance and gauge the thing. You have to know for gauge the love and hate. Stay in the middle of love and hate. Could never be friends, oh no. But I lie, Dennis Brown, I tell. They are friends. Love and hate are friends. Because if you go over too much on love side and stay too far from hate, you go dead quick. Because some people are out there that you're supposed to express hate against. Because even God himself hates certain behavior with us. And God get disblurred, not get disappointed, upset, disgruntled, and get monstrous and destroy people who are evil, doing folly in a God eyesight. You get me I say? So you have to understand. So I know every enemy you have to love up and think say peace is all this. Love and hate is friends. You're not gonna love somebody who act to love him and you don't even know them. Imagine somebody just come across you. Because this is one thing that piss me off, you know. When I see strangers on the road, excuse me, young man. And I smile up with me like, what kind of trick you up to? Right now, I'm a hatred energy me a push off because me no like that love energy over your shoe and I don't know you. So that is why them a friend. Anytime you see people that be lovey, Zin, you have to send them hate. Send them hate. And you don't know them from Adams or Eve, send them hate. When somebody now send you hate, where you know, Zin, send them love. Send them love. Laugh. That is why them a friend. That is how you fix hate and love relationship. And you'll see how them a friend things work out just fine. So as me I telling you in the beginning, in the Genesis, say Khago have the bestest a yes man them now. But before it was BountyKiller when Bounty did have IRA. You see what I say? Remember, you know, Kartel start work around Killer 2002. And by the beginning of 2006, Vybz Kartel have a dish Killer dirt. Because Killer switch and it envious. Because guess what? Bounty realized him have Movado who the corrupt bad mind, dirty mind boy footer I did bring. Right? So when them see how powerful Movado was, Bounty and the rest of them say, yeah man, we don't need Kartel no more. Kartel has always been that dominant one in our alliance. Until Movado came, that is when Bounty and the rest of bad mind haters them realize, say, yo, you know, so we don't need Kartel because we have a big singer and the people them and name the melody out of Movado, and that's why Bounty sell out Kartel. No make them tell you nothing and trick you. Because the one Keznam they attack like say, just because somebody help you, them can't bad mind you. Zin, and that is how we know say Keznam is a yes man too. He's actually trying to work for that spot. He's vying for that spot. Because them sister Bounty need a yes man back in him life. You get me I say? Now, we know say no for una go say Kartel have the number one yes man them. But we don't see Sean Storm a follow back a Kartel. Sean Storm the one side of do him own show. Sean Storm be even answer to Kartel thing them. Unless he's being asked by Winford Williams. Zine because no little pweke boy can come ask Sean Storm no question. No little mediocre question. Zine? But Kartel and them thing there. Zine? So we know say Sean Storm is not a yes man. Zine, because Sean Storm is just grateful to Kartel, and Kartel is not a fussy like Bounty. Zine, because Bounty boss you and have an ulterior motive. But because Bounty was just too tons, forget the Blurred North artists them, forget them, him feel for secure some financial benefits from helping them, and that a dunceness. You can't, somebody with sense will never do or say what Kaznam did say, but Bounty now look no So if Bounty never look no riches from them, why him a look something from Kartel now? Why him upset with Kartel? Because them just blood clot expose Bounty say a lie Mattel, but say from last year Gaza uncle diss him. And this is how bad mind people work. You see when them get catch and see say everybody find out say them bad mind. Them try come up with some story about last year. And from here, Bounty talk about Gaza uncle from last year, make me diss him. You know what the internet go do? Them go find say, what Bounty a try for say, make him a go against Kartel with the whole Gaza uncle. You see the thing where Gaza uncle do from last year? Bounty still got itch up around Vybz Kartel this year. Then I music video, God is the greatest. So I lie Bounty I tell about from last year, because if it was something from last year, then Bounty would never go join in a blood clot, join up with Kartel this year, and them thing there, you see me? In a God is the greatest and thing, you see me? So the internet find him out and them say, Bounty look here, but you see her from last year and see there, that happen, and you still go around Kartel and never say nothing. Bounty is bad mind. Yo, everybody with sense knows say a true Kartel money make Bounty bad mind. Go a Bounty. So, you know, we know say a son of Jamaican stay, a son of people stay up on a wall will help you. Them are go feel as if them obligated now because them help you. Which you see from somebody help you, you have to return that favor. Zin? And Vybz Kartel don't do that a million times. Vybz Kartel not stop highlight Bounty and how proud he is of the help. Vybz Kartel write how much song for Bounty. What Kartel do for Bounty, Bounty can't do that for Kartel. Because the boss where Bounty help Kartel boss, Kartel never need no much of a big strength for boss. Because his music was way ahead of its time. You know what I mean? Kartel, he possesses a one-of-a-kind character and skills and brilliancy and everything over all of these clowns, bad mind, hated wolves and vultures and werewolves. You see me? And shark. You see me? So Bounty not smart. If him did smart, he would have signed the artist them with him boss. Tell Busy go buy him house. See foot hype there suffer, a friend of blood. From you go against Gaza, you can't win. Because we cannot lose, we cannot lose. We cannot lose, we cannot lose. Now see the biggest yes man, Ira. He once was. At least he once was. So we can't say he is again. See? But Ira take 10 years for depart from the corrupt Bounty who love boss and cuss people. As what Twins of Twins say. See? So see there, look how Ira as a yes man, a behave. Watch.
Yeah, but nobody no come talk about no go lose and no galas and them something. The batty boys.
Alright, so General B and Vybz Kartel Bounty at this. That's why I have to rate General B, so you know, General B, big up yourself. Them say you talk too much, but you see the haters them now go find a problem they will do. Them love chat too much. See? Because we hardly see General B over the years, and people are going to say him chat too much. So I must say truth in my chat. Isn't it? Big up General B, a good and God youth. Notice that the G depend General B. And as I tell you in another video, I say, Bounty is not the one general as what Keznamdi I say. The biggest general are General Trees, General Degree, and General B. Bumbo Cloud. Where Bounty a go? Bounty a Batimanism. You see me? Bounty, a Blackberry Bowl. Look what the B stand for. And him say him a killer. And him a promote killing all these years. You get me I say? Nah, promote God. So him fi talk about God. And I talk about people dead. You see me I say? So Bounty is just favorited by the but the devil fans them. Because the same devil and God in the same fans them. None for the fans them are devil people, so them now can like God people, them God entertainer them. See? So look on Ira. Yes, a Bounty go call, a General B go call the Gully side Galuzi. Goluzi because them lose, them born for lose. See? Even though a mother or God you to, cause Gully him thing name G, we tie black to the God, to the Gallus, to the genius. See? That's why them work with the genius. See? All of the G. But Beanie, Bounty, Sealer, them a fish. See? And Galaza. Notice Galaza. Galaza no sound like the loser side. And Goluzi are the loser side. You see it? So everything, all of these things are signs of how the universe works, because we are not the ones in control of ourselves. Even when we think we control ourselves, the universe and God control it. So you have to follow what people say, especially when them not take notice.
Because some of them are going to come here with that about balloons and galahs, and the man don't want to not idiot from Gaza. Yes, straight. If you know that,
Alliance said this get pull it. But what you know? Who there with the most nasty girl? Who there with the most nasty girl? What kind of nasty girl am I talk about? Bounty go take up one young girl. I don't even see her back with him. Him go try do a Beanie do. Zin? And him can't keep the girl them like Beanie. And guess what? As much as with this Beanie, we have to give Beanie and the evil people them props. Because what is due to Caesar shall be given unto him. And Beanie, no, if he keep the girl them. Whatever it is what Beanie do, him a go on good if he keep the girl them. See? But Bounty can't keep a girl. Him can keep 100 man round him for one time, but it look like him not have them powers there again. Not even Mosquito him can keep round him. You see me? But Mosquito lame. And Bounty should have shame. Because Bounty, they in the business for so much years. And people when know the music, them know say Tamale provide better music than Massacre. Tamale have better melodies. Melodies, keys, and sound is what sells songs. Okay? Massacre song them boring. You know, you remember the Whites. Whites expire. But listen how him perform Whites on stage. It dead. It do its time. It expire just like any stale biscuit. You see me? Massacre song them short-lived. Them have no long life in time span. Tamale Clash song them still a reign. You see me? All the Tamale song them have long lasting life in them. You see me? And then Bounty, a man who people look up to for years as a man who's supposed to know music. I go tell the world, say, Mosquito are better artists than Tamale, and Mosquito have the better song them in the Clash. You're a disgrace killer. For me, when the music I know music and live in every studio town, Batty Boy killer, you're a failure and you make your ego and make your lie. So we can't respect you. You have to die. Die, motherfucker, die.
The alliance, and we don't want to mix up with nothing. Social effort to show the people in unity, no problem. We are Jamaican, so we're not friend, we're not enemy, we are musical nemesis. So it goes. And now the people have an understanding and now musical competition supposed to can prevail. So we're ready for it. So them for the send out the fact. Anytime. Yes, so I'm back.
Alright, you hear what Killer said there, so? Killer said, because he made Cartel at this point, you know, Zin. He hate Cartel. And then you hear him now, say them supposed to can battle and have a friendly competition. Like basically that he must say. Them supposed to can have a lyrical battle. Why you think Killer come say this 2010? Why? Because him see say Movado became one of the biggest thing because of Cartel. So him want to become one of the biggest thing black again because Cartel and Movado pass Beanie and Bounty them time. So Bounty now want to run back a Cartel for a clash. Just like what I do and they do, and that is what I tell you about God people. Them always have the most devil that come against them. All the same people with them help. Remember say a Cartel care I do on to Bounty, and I do on should have been seen as a threat who is coming for Vybz Kartel. Please wipe and coming. Zin? But Vybz Kartel never watched that as a threat. Vybz Kartel say youth, you're bad. You think Massacre go see a youth where bad as a DJ will likely to be his number one opponent and still go help the man there? You think Massacre go see a young DJ forward up now, boss now, where can be a challenge to him? And you think some Massacre go help the man there? Eh? And that me a show no. No found our devil people who hate Cartel. All our devil people who hate Cartel. Because Cartel characteristics are God thing. See? And all of them are devil youth. Sometimes God use the devil for bossing people them too. Just like how blood clotting there. Caesar and the blood clot wicked man of Egypt God had made sure they were the one who were protecting Joshua, because Joshua was being used to read dreams for the evil man of Egypt. Yes, what I say? But yet still they were taking care of him. And that is how God using people them and carry them in the pack amongst wolves. God will carry them sheep them, the Gaza sheep them, in the pack amongst wolves and shark and werewolf. And God still make them, the sheep them, become the mightiest and the most fearful things amongst these wicked creatures. Just like on a serpent with him vulture squad, because they're drunkers, they're vultures. They wanted to see Vybz Kartel rot in prison so they couldn't eat up of his flesh and his rotten flesh. They wanted him to rot, right? But remember, Kartel said, any man who feed upon his flesh shall stumble and fell. You see me? Just like Christ Kartel.
About him now, do not.
Send him out this thing.
You can't sing one bag of this song against Killer for the last 2.5 years. When Killer respond, you fly up, do a much song. When them not reach nowhere, you start back out. Can't work. 2 DJ go hard at it. One can just come back and say me stop. So the people.
You see it? So Bounty basically has a Kartel now go as hard as him. So if Bounty was the bigger king as well, Keznam the enough of them lick batty boy where love kiss man ass. Zin ka kiss ya kiss ass. Zin them lick out batty boy ya. Zin like Keznam the enough of them where lick Killer ass and a kiss it. Zin them no see say Killer is not the man ya. So if him a big Kartel for go hard, him a look war with Kartel and a big Kartel for go harder at the war with him. Because him so want the fame and want go back on top and can't get it. Because Kartel, that's why when you see Kartel in a prison and Kartel trick Bounty, when Kartel go do the song about Killer your gunshot of fire and look up and say, okay, that's right. That be just as if he continue go and cuff you. When you see me, you are run, I want to you. When you see me stop, run that, pull up. Them time there. Kartel a bust off my father head from behind the prison bar and implicate Killer name, you know. Them time a Killer Kartel na friend, you know. But Kartel go call Killer name a friend up Killer in a song for tear down my father. And Bounty go take the bait like the fish is. A swim around and Kartel throw the bait. See, like when him throw the bait off I do and I try catch at a straw. You see me I said? Yeah. So same thing we see Bounty a try catch at that straw. Because Kartel now give them no line for feed them. You see me? Because if Kartel no ship them can yam, every style we make them one. Him a the dancehall play and the Jordan, the smart one, the last and the tall one. Deejays, anything him do them follow. If him no ship them boy you no swallow, them take him out and take him a war and them take him and him ha. Me no remember no DJ Bounty or DJ hey.
Them need a square off. And Kartel say Killer is an old dinosaur, old outdated artist. So why you want 9 million to kill an outdated artist? I don't want nothing to kill it, just put him out. Okay? Yes, so last year we got sting and tell them love and them say no, they need a little blood.
Yeah, and then when you go try war Kartel on stage, you alone we see I get buckled. Zin, and I do when I tell you in a previous video say even I do when I get big stone on stage I try go against Kartel, you know, Christ Kartel, you know, big stone dropping I do when I foot them off and lift them up, carry them around at the bar, you know, go put ice on him foot, you know. Gaza people them not play. And we run nation, Gaza nation of the occupation, Gaza nation of every nation. Gaza nation is a frustration to these pagan. You see me?
So this year a straight steel and slug. Straight. More tongue fag shut your liquor ass mouth. Man, you make your hunch back.
But Ira turn him black, Killer. Because Ira did confused to him. I never know if he want a part of the Gaza disc. I know Ocean Storm and the whole Gaza work, the mad sauce, the pimping them time there. I mean, I'm pimping a roll up a Constant Spring. And night time I go on with beer shaggy. You see me? Yeah, man. Aggravated. Whatever one going on them thing, brother. You see me? Big up pimping. You see me? Yo, pimping. You thinking what me thinking? Mood of us if that girl there, even that hard, you know. Cause Kartel asks pimping if him thinking where him thinking. Cause Kartel is like Kartel knows a pimping never on the same mindset where Kartel there. When it comes to all the girl them, so Kartel say, yo, me I go force you for that girl there. Cause me know that you think about it pimping. Yo, Kartel are the best, a prophet. See it and them pussy I try be prophetess.
You walk out, your gun show you what and come and talk about. Talk fast because I so you a chalk out. No fuck can box the Killer. Yeah, but nobody.
Yeah, so me really they play that video for show you how Ira did implicate himself and I go on the most way about. And I play himself as a yes man for Killer with everything where Killer say. You know, stand behind it. Yeah, wipe on the behind where must stand behind. But we see say IRA wise up and IRA left from round Killer. The corruption, see? Tamili make sure tell you, know, say a cartel destroy them alliance, you know. No alliance is no more a Bounty alone a battle for himself. Nobody imagine and Kartel now go lose the power they like on see Bounty lose all of the artists them round him. You'll never live to see Kartel lose the bag of artists them round him. You mad? You're crazy? And that goes to show you God around Kartel. You see me? God. Yeah. So we're gonna end this now. I show you Khago yes man. We don't need to see Khago yes man them. You see me? Khago have enough yes man, you know. I him have the most yes man. Khago a lead with the yes man them. But no Bounty have nobody in him corner, as what Taros Riley say. It's me as what Tamili say, you better have Taros Riley in your corner, friend. Bumbuckler. No, with BountyKiller have nobody in him corner. Bounty have nobody. No IRA, no Kartel, no movie, no busy. None of them Bounty have. Him alone have a buckle and a cuss with himself and a fight and a defend himself. And a Bounty a bad mind Kartel for him money. And anybody when I see that on the dance, because watch you now. Keznamdi make a big fool of himself, and I'm saying at the beginning, because as Mashono said, there's a thin line between being kind from being stupid, and Bounty stupid for about so much people and not secure, not for himself. Him dunce, and that's why Kartel is smart. Kartel secure. Kartel no learn shit from Bounty for boss nobody. It's always an industry thing. It's not a BountyKiller thing for no say for boss artist. It is an industry thing. All of the DJ them were DJ from long time. No say one and help each other, one and can't clap. You see me, one and wash the other. That is not a BountyKiller thing. That is our four parents thing. You know, don't stop. Keznam the dance, we a Rastaman we say him family fight, blood clot, tribal war and all type of blood, not freedom fighter, freedom fighter. Same family them a freedom fighter will fight for injustice, fight for justice and fight injustice and all type of thing. Zin, him dance and guess what him a do? Him a play himself as a hypocrite because him have better sense. Zin, and then guess what? You hear what Keznamdi say about oh, enough people now boss you for free, and if them a boss you, them a go want something more tight. No DJ now boss nobody and take no money out tight because them so bad mind, them no want to no boss, not even for them get no money off how no. You know see that? Being in a boss nobody for rich. You think being in a know enough artists when could have boss and rich and charge, but them so bad mind that them no want boss nobody, them no want see nobody with nothing. Them know why you have the chance. These bad mind people, these bad mind Jamaican like Ayaktian. Because remember Teflon bring Ayaktian. Remember Ayaktian not come bring nobody. Him never ever talk once about Teflon where boss him with gun rise, one dead. Ayaktian bad mind and he's for the devil. Zin Teflon are good youth, and all of these devil artists is what mainstream love. Mainstream don't love the good artists them. That's why Kartel are for bad. And guess what? God now send more than one or a few of his soldiers to mainstream for control the devil them, for burn the devil them heart. That's why God send Vybz Kartel for be the top ruler and most wealthiest in a dancehall in the mainstream here in Jamaica. And God choose 50 Cent for run the mainstream be the most powerful, fearless, just like a Kartel in the international American base mainstream. You get me I say? So God only gonna use a few rich man to get rich. Because God don't tell us say no enough rich people are go heaven. The bigger camel with the umpa water in him back. Easier have a stand up, easier chance to go through the eye of an eagle than enough of them rich man have to go in heaven. But God chosen warriors, them half rich, like the Abraham who had many sons, Kartel had many sons, Bounty have many sons, and that is why Bounty you them turn gay, because the power of God left him. All of that I got described, I got written in the Bible, the Gazanation of the Revelation, Gazanation of every nation. Every knee shall bow and confess that Kartel is Christ, the King of Dancehall. Is what I say. Yeah, so I could try going at this because there's so much things to say right now, so much things to say. I'm still going to review the God song with Fambo do. I remember say from Kartel say God is the greatest. We see Dexter Daps come out and say God song. We see Popcorn got God in no time. We see FutureFambo got God. Until we see Bumbo Clad boom boom, world boom, I come play and I say, yo, a bag of artists I come give man gospel song for play. Like I know I turn dancehall in a gospel. A Kartel do them thing there. Kartel make the selector them tired for get gospel song. Big up yourself to Fambo, because you see when even though you're a follower, there's nothing wrong with being a follower. Jesus did have 12 followers. None of these nowadays people and these people with ego want to be leaders and is not chosen. Try study for be leaders, but a real leader is like Kartel. A real leader is like Bounty. A real leader, but Bounty losing power. Zin, being can't lead. The real leaders are like 50 Cent. If you're not helpful and want to see people life change from poor and suffering, then you for go use evil. You for rich and not help nobody, big up Bob Marley. But him pitney them as shit. You see me I say? Yeah, dog, them for help. Look on down a town, Trench Town. We know the Marley them do things to Trench Town, but look on down a town. Come on, Marley them should have fixed up Trench Town. The Marley them alone should have make downtown look like uptown. I know say the Prime Minister job, but come on, we know a Prime Minister so the thief and cruel piece of gluttonous crap, like big nose. When you look at Andrew Wellness nose, you see disease. It's like fungus. The man nose grow like a big fungus on him face. Andrew nose is a fungus on him face. You see me I say? Yeah. See there? Big up the PMP because the universe make me wear that color. I never plan it, nothing. You see me I say? Even though I look like Fambo and I'm green, but the universe hide the green for make it there for sure you say. Right now the universe and Mother Nature shame Andrew and the labor right them if you have them green color. The Mother Nature shame. And then hear the batty boy I come tell people about them for breed up and rivalry. And the hospital them wear down and want fix not machine and they no stink no bumper clock. Every time I remember what them bumper will I do. They made for roll down a town brother that the universe show me Marcus Garvey, Carlos Riley, and Marcus Garvey and Harry Kunte Pitney, Selassie I Pitney, and the chant fire Pitney. Yeah, people, we need to work together. Forever. Make we go in at this.
Grace is the name of Lord Jesus Christ as the Lord and Savior. Listen, you see the boy?
Born Jesus, Fambo, I'm done. But you say, you need for Lego that Jesus thing. Just left Kartel alone for say Jesus. Because here why I know Kartel said Jesus now. Because you see, Kartel have a mother will love Jesus and she had prayed for so long. Kartel knows that Jesus not do it, But Kartel just loved the people them who was there for him while he was incarcerated for 13 years, who said Jesus. And Kartel just, because they had spent quality years a pray for Kartel through them Jesus name, right? Kartel just a give back Jesus him look of favor, right? Which nothing wrong with that because we know say Kartel acknowledge Selassie. But because the whole media and the whole world, Kartel now feel good. Listen me, you ever hate somebody, but then you go through the worst at time and then you find say that somebody who you hate feel sorry for you? So when you come out of prison, you kind of work your way in for show them respect. That is why Kartel show Jesus respect. But Jesus not really do nothing for Kartel, but it's the people who got tricked believing in Jesus was there for Kartel, like his mother. His mother still go church. You see me I say? My mother, yeah, no can't style liquor vibes or liquor Addi or Icon. None of them. None of no bumble, none of no batty boy can't style liquor vibes or liquor Addi. Them are bigger artists who and them are get the crown from them father. You see me? So yeah, as me I tell you about the war thing. Let us get in all this back. Me and my mother have a good relationship, but I'm not gonna come publicly and this my mother like Khago. I'm never have to tell you that. Because we are God youth, you see me, and it's not every mother deserve kindness and Ray, but we know say Khago mother no do Khago nothing that bad for Khago come this him mother so. You see me? Yeah, and then notice when Khago this him mother and sell her out to the devil or him go win big Billboard album ratings in. Yeah, so, but we not see him do it back. So the devil trick him. The devil make him diss him mother. Go listen to Vybz Kartel song where Kartel attack to the devil. Kartel make the devil know say him nah sell out him mother and him pitney them. Because that them did want Kartel to kill him, for analyze him pitney them and analyze him mother. That's why they make him go in a prison. You see me? Enough people know that. Zine even Busta Rhyme tell you that. Zine? Say Busta Rhyme did forward a prison in red suit for collect some blood samples you see me? And carry it back to the Freemasonry temple. Zine, big up yourself, Busta Rhyme. Zine, because you have to work with good and bad. Zine, God and the devil. Because remember, say God work with the devil for trick Job. So what the fuck no Christian I go say? Or why you Christian now work with the devil like God? Why you now move like God? Like you get some of God image and likeness. You now move like you have God image and likeness. You now move like satanic temple of people. Like what name? Crowley, the number one devil preacher. You see me? Alistair Crowley, Bumbuckler, bop. I'm a god that too, you know. Alistair Crowley, a bald white man. Almost carry himself like the KKK, Triple K, Ku Klux Klan gang them. Then?
And their mother and their father, their days belong up on the earth. Hey boy, Khago, ready to clash you. Ready to step to you.
And me dey on Fambo side over Khago, you know. Me is not a Khago fan. Khago diss me already, me talk boy all the while. Man kick me off of my life for just throw up a Gaza fan. Just throw up a Gaza sign. And you see him know and big up Kartel go suck out your mama Khago. Cause you diss me for throw up Gaza sign when Kartel did in a prison. See? Yes, half I'm live. And now him want come big up Kartel. And that to the two side cutlass them, you know. Batty boy Khago. You get what me I say? Yeah man, you see it? And guess what go on? God a kind of work in a footer hype favor, yes, you know, but it's not for footer hype favor. No, it's not the footer hype favor. It's just through the universe. Khago try jump back on Kartel on the God side. The God and the universe are show Khago say, stay over there, so. And we are send the man who just do a God song for you, for beat you and push you back over there, so. Don't come try creep your way or screech your way over on God's side and come big up Gaza and Kartel. Zin? Yeah, Khago for stay over him devil side, because that's him belong with the likes of footer hype. We see Vegas kind of try change him ways, even though we know Vegas for do a lot of devil stuff, right? Playing at the devil hands and the devil point of view, right? But we see Vegas do much better. It's like him finally see the light, then, and we not expect him to go back or go black. Then Khago have done so many wrongs, especially when it comes to Kartel name and the Gaza name. So him now have no form of forgiveness right now. And if he and we forgive him, you know, but the forgive him is not for him enter black on the Gaza and to become close accomplice or close companionship with any Gaza member. Then, yes, so Khago sins already have wages his death and his abandonment and his blockage from getting links with and connects with the Gaza. His sins, because see that the mosquito, the crocodile, wages of sin is death, and him not finished yet. On the mosquito still want commit whole heap of sins like sex bat in yam front. Remember says a mosquito, the crocodile there with Aisha and I know him freaky. We know him love lick him lips, we know him love lick clits, we know the mosquito is not straight and as strong and as militant like the Gaza man them. See, you don't know that. Look for mosquito lip, it then pink your fuck. Him not even weed about their bun. Him only a pose with weed in his mouth. You see me? Because you as a weed man, your lip not supposed to so pink. You see me? And here you know say Kartel on God man too. You see God people, them love keep them teeth clean, keep them teeth clean. You notice a Kartel they are prison for years, for 13 years, and him come out with him teeth white. And we're not, you see how Kartel teeth white? It is not just a dental work. It's not like the Kartel that keep him teeth bad in a prison and then because him a come out him go do this big work on him teeth. No, Kartel, when you see Kartel teeth, you can see say is a man who take pride in a cleanliness and that a godliness. Look on Bounty mouth, yellow and rotten, almost rotten. Bounty not clean him teeth. You know see Bounty teeth, yellow and people in the comment section. Cleanliness is godliness. Kartel always clean. All when him dead, dirty prison, the man not clean clothes, clean skin, clean this, clean that. Is me Bounty them go to prison and see, me Beanie go to prison and see how them turn dirty all of a sudden. I say you know real God people. Me I try teach them, but you know now learn. Let it play.
Well, if it's done, you look at Bumbuckler, eat that boy ears and boy nose. One take Khago, and now go your name. Ha, Wago, or nah.
Me no remember who Khago that name the first one long time in Nago. But as I say, I saw Jamaican stay. You could have been the most blessed by God. You could have been the most wealthiest. You could have been the most goodness of gracious of blessings. We Jamaicans have a discriminated and what did I say? A degrading name for you. You see me? We have the most despicable name for you all when God created you with just perfection. We Jamaican are going to find an imperfect name for you for match the disgusting sight where we want to place your pan. All when you're clean and glorify and in the glory of God, we are going to find a name for nasty up, for muddy up. That's so Jamaica stay, and that make us great. But enough dance back Jamaican will say, boy, I'm wicked and God soon strike him down. God a laugh when him see how talented we is. You see, once you see the world laugh at our joke, God laugh, because God is within majority of the people. So when you see majority of the people react to in a good way, that is God. And God said, let there be light. We are going to build up a Gaza church, right? Because we can preach to, Yeah, because you have to have the teacher and the preacher. You see what I say? Nothing too religious. The preacher, the teacher, they don't religious. We go load up faster than minibus. Yeah, our church, Gazanation church, have to have whole heap of guns. Because guess why go on our church are going to need whole heap of guns. Remember, say since the year 2000 start, the man them start shoot people in a church, Zin, remember, say Brother Blair, at the first Jamaican pastor, forget lights of firearm in the 90s. Because him church was on Waltham, won't expect. That's why Jamaica was great. Don't say Jamaica stop. Say Jamaica go. Don't say Jamaica stop. Jamaica stop. No. It's Jamaica go. That is the new thing. Jamaica stop. No. Jamaica go. That are the new thing. Bust that out there. Because guess what? BountyKiller they don't say stop it. Stop it. And guess what? That don't. Hey, Bounty losing powers. Then he was for God. He was, can't believe the tight pants come in again. I can't believe the Batman and shut a ton friend. And that is Bounty now. Him a wear tight pants. Him a shut a ton friend. Him a Batman a ton friend. Because see the big man come out with the I forgot his name just 2 days ago. And the man said the 3 biggest column them in a dancehall black in the 90s had gay producers. The Bounty, Beanie Man, and Bujo. They had gay managers and producers. You see me, Ninja Man, Beanie, Patrick Roberts, the Dave Kelly, for Bounty and Baby Sham. You get me I say? But yet still them want come talk about Kartel. Because suck on mama. You don't have Kartel in a no video stand up beside a no naked man like Bounty. Kartel no sit down with no gay guy like RuPaul, Zin, like Beanie. So a Kartel are the king. Because if you don't think mud up, and you character nasty up, you can't be king over Kartel. And that is why the Gaza nation are the revelation. Because Gaza and God himself sent somebody, a new creature, who is aligned, clean, cleanliness, as we talk about. Holiness. Zin? Yeah. I go down this.
Khago, hey boy. You can't this Michelle Dona, you can't this Spanish town, vanish clown. Yeah, talk about, hey boy, Khago, I don't even know. Hey.
Yo, me don't know about the angel, about the universe. I show me a sign. Maybe it can be the wrong side of the universe, because the universe it don't show me around a good sign. I love the angel from a long time. But remember, her name is Downer. Fallen angel, Downer. We're going down, it's going down. Down, hallelujah. Well, she can be good because it was ordained that the power of the Lord is coming down. It's coming down, it's coming down. So maybe the angel represent the power there. So we can't too quick for judge her. I believe she's good. Yeah, I believe she's good. Even though she named Downer. Bomboclat. Look here. Downer is like downy. It's like a softener for wash clothes. But if you check out Killer, he's Bounty. He's a toilet paper tissue for wipe ass, for clean shit. Oh my God. And then Bounty did have Miss Downer. I clean him. See? Because Downy. Miss Downer is like Downy. Right? The quicker, picker, upper, swifter. Yo, you have to look on things so. FutureFambo come run off the future. His first name was, what was his first name? Ancient, what was the name again, Fambo? Before you change it. I think it was ancient something, And then, our boss back Fambo, him name when him changed. And so introduced on the lane, shout out Fambo. Yo, when me hear the man boss with a song in the early 2000s, I say, yes, we get back another veteran artist from the 90s, so Boss Black. And any man you say Boss Black, like even Maca Diamond, Woman Man from the 90s, them boss again in the 2000s, God bless him, yeah? God bless him. We have got done this,
Yeah, man. Khago, go.
Khago, go. You're the whole thing, huh?
Grace is the name of Lord Jesus Christ. And he's the Lord and Savior.
What?
He said the boy Khago. Anything this angel is a bridging. That show she don't want to see him box in your face. That time when you not sell out your friend them, you sell out everything. Khago, remember say this your mother, you know.
Man sell out his mother, him sell out everybody, Zin. Him sell out Ayati and Zamunda, Zin. Remember, you know, the whole of them. A marina stretch out. Them wear them one another marina, lock them one another ear, Ayati and
their mother and their father, their days belong up on the earth.
And that with Jamaican, FutureFambo, I know you're God people, but we have to be honest in even all attack and in all areas. Even when we're vengeful, we have to be honest. Remember, so the Bible says, parents should not allow their children to rot. You see them dirty stinking Jamaican mama, big old pooper on them love advertise and lick it in them pitney head say, honor your mother and honor your father, say days may be long. Post me at the first for this them. Because when me go find out, say the Bible say, parents should not allow their children to rot or cause them to rot. Because you see, God is fear. But you see, our parents, most of our parents is not fear. And that is why them left out a part there. You notice that God not left out a part there for the pitney them. God make sure tell the pitney them, say, obey your parents. And God make sure tell the parents, say, obey your pitney them too. And don't cause them to rot. But you see, your dirty flesh, wicked parents, them not tell another part about the kids. And that is unfair. I grew up with a hatred against Jamaicans who love promote the respect and honor of your parents' part. And you don't want, if something is like this and unbalanced, they say the parents them want to get honored to the highest degree while the pitney for down here so. But them no want give back the pitney them no farm a level respect. So therefore, what you think about we about this year say go suck your mother, could have my mother little more, could have my brother, could have my father, go suck your mother. If you not be fear like God, you go get this, you could have my mother, my father, go suck your mother. You see what I say? Because that's with the problem with mankind. They not fear. And God is fear. And it's not F-E-A-R, Zin, fear as in F-A-I-R, yeah, Zin?
I'm ready for clash you, I'm ready for step to you, I'm ready for done, you look a bumbuckler, eat that boy ears and boy nose. One take Khago, a Nago your name, ha, Wago, or Nago, hey boy, you can't this Michelle Dona, you can't this Spanish town, vanish clown. Yeah, Khago. Hey boy, Khago, I don't know.
Yeah, I remember me saying, say Khago mother never deserved them disrespect the way Khago go. We know that. Khago mother, if you remember the video, because I can't forget that blood clot 2015 when Khago diss his mother wicked. And it's not like a woman where is that type of ghetto bitch. You know what I mean? Like some ghetto war, like some ghetto skettle, big swampy Rosalie type shit. You know, Khago mother is not the Rosalie type shit where you know say Rosalie a careless mama that. I seal it seal me. I see a universe attack. And the universe I use me. She lose her two pitney. Careless mama. And them mama they disrespect and deal with stuff on the internet. You get what me I say them big back energy waste girl there. You see me? Yeah. But Khago this him nice mother, him nice little poor little mother. Bumba clock. Yo.
Hey man. Khago, go ahead.
Go ahead. Yeah, my people, so them are enemy till life do them apart, till death do them apart. You see me? And I say your enemy thing go. And if your enemy friend you up, I now say you know for watch out, you know, you know for be kind and real, you know. But don't think say them is all loving. Try for see things different too. And guard yourself. You know, try to learn to play a hypocrite, because that is important. We're not hypocrite, but you have to know how to can play a hypocrite. Zin? Yeah, not because like somebody thief something from you and you go thief it back. That don't make you a thief. And the person who thief your belongings is the thief. But not because you go thief it back, make you a thief. You see what I say? Yeah, so I just one of them things there. We're gonna tap it here so. Jamaica, go! Or if you want to say, Jamaica, stop! No! A Jamaica, go! Oh! And the part few that to the slang. Yeah, my people. Yeah. See Khago, yeah. We catch him a clap forward to Fambo, you see me? No clap back or backlash. him a clap forward and a forward lash at Fambo. You see me? When I in a studio, him forgot the one Khago. Then forgot try make a diss track for end Fambo career. That him forgot try do. Then because Fambo, you know, you don't see say Fambo want him. Then and make him know say yo, ma come tear him career apart. And that Fambo tell Khago, you know. So this is how Khago responds. Then with him gimmicks. He's like a little gimmickal wizard, you know what I mean? Like some little nuisance or that is Khago in the business. He's a nuisance. And for many years he have been a nuisance to the Gaza, but now we see him a change. But I know if him see this, him a go start to be the same and remain the same. See? But this is where his remains will life, him continue to trouble the Gaza. Alright? So look how him respond to Fambo.
To Fambo.
Fambo. Why you not got done dead pussy? Go finish dead Fambo. Die, poo.
Yo, you hear where am I going with it? You hear where am I tell Fambo? Yo, that's why I'm telling you Fambo will live longer than him, you know. Cause you see him pretty car where him have way fast. You know say them they can take life too, you know. We not call him nothing bad for him. But the thing is, you know, we not call him nothing bad for him. But you see when you have an enemy, you have to know where you're standing at the war. If God prefer you or that man we are at war with. Enough people can't look at themselves and tell themselves, so you know say God not really pleased with what me I do. Is what me I say? No, them can't do that. Enough people, them will tell you say the man they smarter than them. No. Enough people will tell you say yo the man the other girl is smart, you know. Zin? But them not have the courage to say smarter than them. Zin? Because you don't know there are people who are actually smarter than some. Zin? They have enough done spot. Yeah. You see me? And remember there's a thin line between everything opposite. The guns and the smart, the high and the lows, the bright and the dark. You see me? There's just a very thin line. When I pull it up back black and catch it from top. Because Khago go disrespect the man in the worst way.
To Fambo.
Fambo. Why you not got done dead pussy? Go finish dead Fambo. Die, pussy, die! Die, motherfucker, die! And fuck yourself. I'm sorry, I don't want to say no. People will not hear you. Can't tell me I give problem. I have never seen this man at the end of my life. I want time, I glimpse him.
Yo, you see the part where Khago said, die, motherfucker, die. And the same thing I said today about Bounty. You go see it in our video, I swear to G. You see me? Big man thing, you see me? I swore. Same thing I said about Bounty. Me use the Tamale. And the Tamale boss attack there, you know. The Tamale say, fly, mother, fly. You see me? But we say, die, die. And see Khago come say it, yeah? So some alignment are go on. May I tell you now, you know what that is a sign of? That is a sign, say Khago. I got drop flesh before Fambo. Believe. That's how the universe start.
To Fambo.
Fambo. Why you not got done dead pussy? Go finish dead Fambo.
You hear Khago demonic laugh? He's like that leprechaun or like that monstrous little playful but deadly like a Chucky doll. But him not serious as a Chucky doll. Him not as big as a Chucky doll. Him is like a leprechaun. We're not so popular, but people, you know, it was an olden day type of thing. Them new days youth, you know, really fancy leprechaun and them thing there, you see me? So, nobody not really fancy Khago.
Die, pussy, die! Die, motherfucker, die! And don't fuck yourself. I'm sorry, I don't want to say no.
I can't believe this. But Khago have some friends up here upon the live, man.
People will not hear you. Can't tell me I give problem. I have never seen this man at the end of my life. I one time I glimpse him.
To Fambo.
You my this Fambo about him never see me in him life. At one time him glimpse him. Yeah, I say him lie. Cause see how old this. As snake. Khago that. Is them favor Khago? Them favor Khago?